welcome back to our channel. Sorry, my son did to practice the piano again. His exam is coming. Sorry. So look at here. Look at the question. The question is about a variation. Okay, variation may result in a favorable characteristic in a species, favorable but other else. Tricky. Yeah, this is favorable. So how about the other? So the effects on the frequency of the other one will be decreased. Tricky. Be careful. And then what is the source of variation? Yeah, different combination. Sexual reproduction, yes. High mutation rate, yes. Successfully acquired the characteristic because it means that you learn the characteristic, okay, after you burn. So it's not in your genes, okay. It's not variation. You can't pass it to your next generation, okay. So what's the answer? Yes, the answer is D. Well done. Hooray!